gods and goddesses, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, and if you have arrived on my page, you most likely hear me say this several times, like,
you gotta meditate. Meditation is important. Meditation is important.
One of my most successful videos on this channel is how to meditate for beginners. So of course, the core of it all is to maintain a meditation practice. Meditation is different for everyone. I can't say that you should do the same meditation practice as me. Meditation is individualized and it all depends on what you feel comfortable with. So with that being said, in this video, I'm going to give you 9 types of meditations.
If you're interested in this video, keep watching.
So there are plenty more types of meditation. I have tried these meditations myself. I'd like to try different types of meditations. As you can see, if you join me on my weekly live meditations, I don't do the same meditation or the same type of meditation every week. And this is because I personally like to switch things up. I'm not a type of person that likes to do things the same way all the time. So I like to switch it up, and I feel like it allows you to explore different types of meditations. That way you can find one that works for you, or a few that works for you. Meditation has been scientifically proven to improve your mind and body. There are far more meditations than the ones that I'm giving you in this video. Just for this video, I'm going to focus on 9 different types of meditation. I did a video on the different ways you can meditate, and I kind of will touch on that throughout this video, but these are the different types of meditations. I like these meditations, and I've recommended different types of meditations to my friends, and as you can see on my weekly live, we switch it up. The first type of meditation I have to mention is mindfulness meditation. This is the most common type of meditation. This is the meditation that we use all the time, where you focus on your breath, you allow your thoughts to come in, you observe certain patterns and feelings throughout your body without being judgmental, and you allow them to just drift away. By allowing yourself to connect with your breath, focusing on your breath, and allowing your thoughts to just come in and drift away, you can pay attention to certain patterns and certain things that may be coming up. These things might be things you need to sit on and meditate on and address them in a future meditation or throughout your day. Mindfulness meditation is great for people who do not have guidance. It's a great way for you to meditate on your own. The next type of meditation is spiritual meditation. This meditation is mostly used in the Eastern religions like Hinduism and Taoism and some Christian faiths. This meditation is similar to prayer because you are focusing on the silence around you to have a deeper connection to your higher being. With this meditation, you focus on quieting your mind and focus on the silence around you to deepen your spiritual connection. There's some things that you can use during this type of meditation and other types of meditations as well, and that is some sage. I have sage and lavender here, Palo Santo, which is what I am burning, and frankincense and myrrh. These things, plus some other things, help with deepening your connection to your higher power or spiritual being. The next type of meditation is a focused meditation. This meditation is when you use one of your 5 senses. This meditation is done by focusing on something internal or external. This could be focusing on your breath. This can be focusing on the fan, the noise that the fan makes as it goes around. This can be listening to the birds chirping if you meditate outside. This can be a lot of things. If you have like the mala beads, using those beads while you meditate or do prayer, this is also considered focused meditation. Or like the meditation that we did in How to Meditate for Beginners video, focusing on the flame of a candle. Those are all ways that you can practice focused meditation. This meditation is great if you require focus in life. If you're a person that lacks focus, focused meditations are for you. This may sound really easy to you, but it's really not that easy. Some people can't focus on one thing for a matter of for over a few minutes. If you do find that your mind wanders, it's important to come back to whatever it is that you're focusing on. So when I first started meditating, I did a meditation where you focus on your hand, whichever hand it was, and it was particularly my left hand. So whenever my mind started to drift, I brought it back to just where my left hand is laid on, and I did this on my bed. So I did focus meditation when I first started meditating, and I do the internal focus meditation by focusing on my breath while I meditate. All right, guys, so the next type of meditation is movement meditation. This can be done through yoga, walking, gardening, anything that you do that can clear your mind. For me, the type of movement meditation that I like is to hula hoop. And yes, I really enjoy movement meditation. When I hula hoop, my mind literally becomes so clear, and I feel great because I'm moving my body as well. And it's a great way for me to meditate. That's how I prefer to meditate, through movement and also through yoga. This type of meditation is good for people who do not like to stay still or have a hard time kind of staying still, like the busybodies who like to move and do this and do that. This is a great way for you to connect to your mind and allow your thoughts to just drift away. The next type of meditation is a mantra meditation. These meditations are great because it allows you to focus on a word, phrase, or sound. And this is good for people who have a hard time just sitting in silence. And it's a great way to connect to your different chakras. Chakra meditation and mantra meditations are kind of like put in the same type of thing, because each chakra is connected to a certain mantra, which is lam, ram, you know, the different types, and those sounds are mantras. Other type of mantra meditations is just to say, I am safe, and always coming back to that throughout your practice, or whatever affirmation or mantra you decide to use for that practice in that day. The next type of meditation is progressive meditation, or also known as body scan meditation. With this meditation, you are going to either scan your whole body. This type of meditation helps to relieve stress and tension in your body. Some ways of doing this meditation is to start from your head and go to your feet, or from your feet to your head, and scan each body part. It can also be done by focusing on each body part and tensing it and relaxing it. And this is a great way to just like relax and relieve tension. This meditation type is recommended to do before bed because it allows your body to just kind of like relax. Another way to do this meditation is to envision like a wave kind of like flowing through your body. This meditation is super easy, and that's why I recommend doing it before bed. Relieve the tension in your body from your day and start off anew. The next type of meditation is loving kindness meditation. This meditation focuses on, this type of meditation is used to enhance the feeling of love, compassion, kindness towards yourself and others. During this type of meditation, you focus on receiving love and then sending it out to your loved ones, acquaintances, all living beings. This is a great way for you to bring in a form of forgiveness, compassion, and kindness, and release that out to people who have done harm to you, people that you do love, sending them love, and just the well-being of the collective. At the end of the day, we are all connected. The next type of meditation is visualization meditation. I absolutely love this type of meditation, and I'm going to tell you why. Because when I can visualize and see in my mind's eye, I already know that I'm closer to manifesting that thing that I'm visualizing. And this might not be something that you're trying to manifest, but in a way you are kind of manifesting it. Like, say for example, if you just want to bring more peace into your life, it's a great way for you to imagine this calmness. You can imagine or visualize the ocean waves, and that can be calming for you. It can bring you peace and calmness and clarity into your life by using visualization. For me, I like to use visualization, and this is particularly before I go to bed when I'm in that type of state, like drifting off into that REM. This type of meditation to visualize, if you can visualize anything that you want to bring into your life, you are closer to bringing that into your life, because once your mind can visualize it, you'll be able to see it in the present, okay? So for me, I visualize not only during meditation, but I guess it's in a meditative state as well. Like for example, my car was making a noise. So I would visualize myself driving in this car that I want, the color that I wanted. Visualization is so powerful. It's a awesome type of meditation, and I recommend it for everybody. Visualization is not as easy as it seems. Some people have a hard time to visualize and imagine. And if you think about it, when you were a child, you would be able to imagine things so vividly and easily. You're playing this whole life for yourself. You're playing out these different roles, and it seems so real. But at the end of the day, you were imagining. So visualization is a great way to connect to our inner child as well. Visualization meditation is a great way for you to visualize certain goals and certain things that you want to achieve. And we do this through our vision board. That's a way of visualizing, because now we put these images on a board so it becomes easier to visualize. We see this every day. We reconnect to that emotion and that feeling from when we put those things on our board, what we want to achieve, our specific goals, and it's a great way to bring those things closer into our lives. I love visualization meditations. They also help to like increase your mood, reduce stress, and just promote overall inner peace. The last meditation that I have to mention, and I put this meditation in its own category because it can easily be put into like a visualization meditation category, but this type of meditation to me has its own category. And this is called quantum jumping meditation. A lot of times it's like a guided meditation where they guide you through certain doors to certain places to reveal certain things to you. And I absolutely love this type of meditation. Definitely one that I'm going to be doing on our weekly live. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you are notified when I am having these types of meditations. You never know what I'm going to be giving you. But quantum jumping meditations is a great way for you to step into the future or leap into the future. And like I said with our visualization meditations, if you can see it, you're closer to achieving it. But this is a way for you to visualize out further than just your specific goals that you have for your life. This type of meditation brings you to a place where you're not really consciously thinking about the type of thing you're going to visualize, but more of being like led to a place and your eyes being open to something that may be new to you, that you maybe weren't thinking about. And for me, the first time I did a quantum leaping or quantum jumping meditation, I went to a Curvy Curly Conscious by Sheila Marie. I went to one of her, I don't know what to call it, a gathering or like a self-healing kind of retreat, but not really out. It was locally. Well, anyway, I went there and we did the quantum jumping meditation, and I was going through a lot in my life. I didn't know what to expect, but I was open to it. And I literally came out of that meditation crying. And so many women did there as well. It was so powerful, so profound. It really shifted a lot for my life. And at that moment, I knew some things had to change. But that meditation, this type of meditation, quantum jumping, is amazing. Do your research, please. Like, if you haven't done a quantum jumping meditation before, please check it out, okay? Trust me, you won't regret it. And that sums up the 9 types of meditation that I have for you today. Thank you for your constant support. I love each and every one of you, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next live or next video, whichever comes first. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, your family. Don't keep all this information to yourself. Like, come on, you are doing this work, you are healing yourself. You might as well encourage other people to do the same. Like, come on now. It's free to share. It's free to share this information. Like, I mean, why not? Remember, change starts in your mind. This practice of meditation is your own personal practice. You're not going to have the same practice like anyone else. So this needs to be unique to you. Try out different meditations and see what works for you. Change starts in your mind. You change your mind and you change your whole life. All right? Stay tuned for merch. It's coming to the channel very soon. I love you guys. See you next week. Oh, this whole time my mic wasn't on.
I had to move the camera and connect it to the charger because it was about to die, and I turned off the mic, and I forgot, so gotta go back. Movement meditation, right?
One thing about it though, I'm gonna give you this energy, like it or not. Meditation is individual. Like, it's a great way for you to kind of